That was number 7. Number 8 is asking us 20 centimeters to inches. So I'm converting, I guess, again. Lots of conversion questions today. So convert 20 centimeters to inches. And again, these guys here are, I actually have 2 different systems. I have centimeters and I have inches here. So I have both the metric, which is the centimeters here, and the imperial system. And I'm both measuring length, right? So these two are, it's 2 different systems. So if I were to convert between 2 different systems, I definitely don't, I need to know a conversion factor between those 2 guys here. So as you can see from the solution here, 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. And this is relatively well known. If you don't know this conversion factor, it's probably going to be given to you on a test. I don't expect a lot of teachers to just ask you to memorize conversion factors just because they are pretty useless, to be honest. You can always just Google them and you can figure this answer out here. So it says here 1 inch equals 2.54 centimeters. So if I want to find 1 centimeter, this will simply equal 1 over 2.54 inches, right? And if I were to do a decimal here, I could use my calculator and do that decimal here. 1 divided by 2.54 is 0.3937 here. 3937. I'm only going to round to to 4 decimal places, just for the sake of simplicity here. This is inches. So knowing this conversion factor, I can simply just plug in our 20 centimeters, right? So 20 centimeters I want to convert it into inches, right? And I know that in 1 inch, there are 0.3937, right? So in 1 inch, there are 0.3937 inches in 1 centimeter. And this will equal, again, I want my inches as my last conversion. Centimeters here are going to cancel out. So I'm simply doing 20 times this conversion factor, which will give me a value of 7.87. And this here is going to be my answer for this problem. 7.87 inches is 20 centimeters in inches. And as you can see here, the solution is also correct. 20 centimeters equals 7.87 here. So I can write a therefore statement and say, therefore, 20 centimeters equals 7.87 inches. So the solution here is correct. Good analysis here.